Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install the Binance Wallet app on your phone. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, and this application is available for both Android and iOS users. So this application is also available for Windows and Mac, but this video is specially for the Android users, so remember that you need to have Play Store on your phone. So first of all, open the Play Store on your phone. And when you reach the home screen, at the top you will see the search bar. Click there and then type Binance or Binance Wallet, both of them work, and then click on the search icon on your keyboard. So you will see the icon for this application, and right next to it you will see the install button. To download, simply click on the install button there and wait for a while as it downloads. So Binance Wallet is an easy app for your bitcoins, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs. It helps you buy, sell, and trade bitcoins, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, while also providing secured storage for them. This program also allows you to receive interest on your cryptocurrencies. So to download, you have already clicked on the install button. All you need to do is wait until it is completely downloaded. After the download and installation is complete, you will now see the open button. Click there to open the Binance Wallet app on your phone. So you will see a page like this from where you can now create an account for yourself in Binance Wallet. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it any helpful, make sure to subscribe the channel and give this video a big thumbs up.